Croatia, the jewel of the Adriatic in 2025. Croatia is one of the world's top tourist destinations for 2025, combining rich history with stunning nature. It is famous for its turquoise beaches on the Adriatic Sea, charming cities like Dubrovnik and Split, and picturesque islands like Var and Korčula. Croatia offers a complete tourist experience, from historic medieval cities to stunning national parks like Plitvice Lakes and marine activities like diving and boating. It is also famous for its rich cuisine, which combines Mediterranean and European flavors. Whether you're looking for beach relaxation, nature adventures, or cultural exploration, Croatia is an ideal destination to visit in 2025. Subscribe to the channel. Every day, a new place to travel.